All right, class, the next thing that we are going to review today is, if you can read this, tell me what it says. Good, vowels. We are on page 3 in our orthography notebook. All right, so our vowels, and we'll go in and review our consonants later, sometime next week maybe. But we want to start with our vowels. Remember, it's easier to know the vowels and know everything else is a consonant than have to remember all 20 consonants and know that the other ones are vowels. All right, so if you can remember, what is our first vowel when we're going through our alphabet? Good, it's A. Can you tell me all 3 sounds? Good, A, A. That's why we've got 3 spaces because it has 3 sounds. All right, our next vowel, oh, this is the only one that only has 2 sounds. What is that, class? Good, E. Oh, so you write it first. Write in your E. All right, class, what did you just write? Good, E. All right, the next one, I see these 2 have a bracket around them. I know that means they make the same vowel sounds. So what's the next? So I'm going to put, let's see, the one that's always a vowel first. What am I going to put here? Good, I'm going to put it, I, E. And I know that's the right one because I've got 3 spaces there. All right, so my it, I, E goes right here. And then what makes the same vowel sounds as it, I, E? Excellent, yeah, it, I, E. And so remember, we almost always put those together, yeah? It, I, E. All right, the next one, let's see. Oh, we've got one that has 3 sounds next, and then at the bottom we've got one that has 4 sounds. So let's see, we did A, E, I, and Y, so that means we have what left? Good, we've got O and U left. So which of those has 3 sounds? Excellent job if you said it was our O, because our O can say what 3 sounds? Good, A, O, U. So we're going to put that right here. All right, and then that leaves what? Good. And so, yep, if you said U, that's all right, but can you tell me the 4 sounds of U? Good. U, U, U. All right, so that's going to go right down here. All right, so these are our vowels. We just want to review these. And eventually, we're going to have a word for each of these vowels saying their various sounds. Right now, there's only 2 that we learned this week that I know would go here. So we'll just do those 2. And so again, you can start on your practice paper first if you're not 100% sure how to spell the word. All right, our first word is father. What's the word, class? Good, father. And what did we use to make the ah sound in father? All right, if you remembered a-ah, excellent job, because that is correct. So it's our a-ah saying ah, so that's a-ah, saying its 3rd sound. So we're going to write father in this box. If you're not sure, you can do it on your practice paper. Let's just quickly go through the sounds in father, fath, remember those are our syllables, fath, What are the sounds in fath? Good, remember I need 2 letters to say th. And then my next syllable is, good, just which is it? Excellent, it's the of her. So write those sounds and say them while you write them. All right, so I'm going to go over to the 3rd sound for my ah. Tell me what I need to write to spell father. Good. Good, ah. Good. Oh, I should have asked which on you would have said ah. But. And what's next? Good, which Excellent, the of her. All right, so make sure yours looks like mine. And we'll mark it. This needs what on top? Good, it's saying its third sound. How about this? So we underline it, but is it saying its first or second sound? Let's see. Oh, saying its second sound. And how about this? Good, we underline our the of her. All right, let's read our word. Very nice. The other word I thought of that we can put on here is our word until. Class, what's our word? Good, we learned that the other day, until. Let's see. We will put words in here until it is full. Until. How many syllables are in until? Show me. Until. Good, there's 2 syllables. In our first syllable, we've got our u, u, saying its first sound. So we're going to put it right here. All right, our syllables are until. What sounds do we hear in those syllables? The first one, un. Good, n, excellent, n. We'll need a syllable break. Our second syllable is till. What sounds do we hear in the syllable till? Good, t, o. Write those sounds. You can start on your practice paper if you want. It's going to end up here eventually. So go ahead and write that. All right, put your finger under that first phonogram in until. What does it say? Good, Good, n. And we need our syllable mark. Good, t. Good, e. And o. All right, let's try and get this so the glare from the projector isn't on it, so you can check your work. Is there anything we need to mark in this word? No, because everything is saying its first sound and we don't have any multi-letter phonograms or any silent final E's or anything like that. So there's nothing for us to mark. There's one other place that we could put until in here. We're not going to, but where else could I put my word until? You can put your finger on it. I could put it here, couldn't I? Because we were looking at our first syllable to put it down here, but look at that second syllable. We've got our I-E saying its first sound, don't we? I. So we could put until here if we wanted to. We're not going to. Let's say that for a different word. All right. So we got to practice a couple of our words and review our vowels. Great job with that, class.